Have a wonderful day, children. Hope you're all staying safe at your home. In this session, we are going to see the supplementary reader of Unit 2. The title is Naya, the home of Chitrakas. Chitrakas means the person who paints, who draws. Those people are called Chitrakars. Chitra means drawing, painting. The person, those who paints are called Chitrakas. Okay, the home of Chitrakas refers to the village of Chitrakas. Okay, let us see some images. This sheet is called scroll. In that scroll, they used to paint some images with some content. Naya, the home of Chitrakas. Naya is an attractive village in West Bengal, Midnapur district. It is not an ordinary village. In that village, around 250 Patuas or Chitrakas are there. They practice ancient folk called Padachitra. Padachitra means it's a type of storytelling by using painted scrolls. Okay. In that scrolls, they used to paint images and they used to narrate the stories with the help of that scrolls. Then, this art is practiced since the 13th century. Then, traditionally, they used to took that scrolls to village and they narrate a story with the help of that scrolls. And they will get written for their performance like rice, vegetables, and sometimes money. Okay, in that scrolls they narrate a story such as mythological stories and tribal stories like this. And nowadays they used to narrate the stories of social messages and contemporary events. Contemporary events means present situations. Okay, well, the things which is happening present at now. Okay, and nowadays the listeners are not interested with this art. Nowadays the interest reduced over this art, so the artist also few as well as the listeners also few. Okay, so the youngsters adopted new steps and they innovated new steps to develop this art, and they took this as their passion and profession. Traditional patas means the scrolls were painted in canvas made of jute fiber. We all know jute, right? And the scrolls are stitched together and they colored with the help of plants. They extract colors from plants such as marigold, indigo, teak leaves, saffron, and turmeric. They also use lamp black. Lamp black means the black color which we get after the lighting the lamp. Okay, the colors are mixed in coconut shell with the sap means juice of leaves of the bell tree we used to tell it as silver maram, right? And it acts as a glue. After completing this scroll, which means after painting these scrolls which which are left to dry in the sun before stored in as a bundles. Okay, scrolls might be in rectangular, square shaped like this, and it also have different shapes, and they covers the social messages such as conservation of trees, female infanticide, and child trafficking like this, and also AIDS awareness. Clear, my dear children? In those scrolls, they used to paint these type of pictures and they used to narrate the stories. Okay, and nowadays the women's are started to do this, and it is a art for livelihood. And nowadays women's also doing paints as well as they are also narrating stories. Since 2010, annually they celebrate 3 days of festival which is called as Patmaya to celebrate the success of the artist. It will have held in every November. In that festival, they exhibit all the paintings as well as scrolls. At the time, they used to paint their walls also in their house, and the village will be very colorful. They hang all their scrolls on ropes in the courtyard. So, clean their surroundings and decorate the entire village with flowers, and they get ready for visits. Village, there are no hotels in the village, and they made tents for the visitors. For the for the 3 days, the visitors will stay in that village itself. Festival time, the whole village transformed into vibrant the culture hub. Okay, the visitors can learn about the craft. They teach about the craft of Padachitra, and several workshops were held, and they'll tell stories, and they the artists give training to the visitors, and also they teach how to extract colors naturally from plants, and they will demonstrate all the procedures how to make colors, how to paint, how to draw pictures like this. They teach all the things to the visitors. On seeing the Patuva's talents, it is very significant. Once we should, in a lifetime, we should visit that village, and we have to get experience over that Patmaya festival. It will give a delightful experience in a beautiful rural setting. It will give such a delightful experience. It will give such a beautiful experience. If you can visit that village, my dear children. Okay, it is very new for me also. If you can just visit that village, my dear children. Thank you, my dear children. Have a nice day.